Welcome back to Genius Lounge. I'm your host, Matt Troutman. Genius Lounge is the place to come to get free training for the tech in your life. And if you enjoy Genius Lounge, we would really ask that you consider subscribing. And of course, if you enjoy this video, please hit that thumbs up button down below so that we know that you like this one, or leave us a comment down below if you don't. So if you're here today, you probably want to learn just a little bit more about Instagram and how to use it. Instagram is a wildly popular photo and video sharing application that allows you to share your photos and videos with just about anyone in the world. If you haven't already, go ahead and download the Instagram application either on your Android phone or on your iPhone. The very first thing that we need to do to get you on Instagram is we need to create an account. So I'm going to go ahead and jump in with my phone and do that now. So here in Instagram, because I'm not signed in with Facebook, it is prompting me to go ahead and create a new account or log in with an existing. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and create a new account just to show you how it's done. It's asking me either to provide a phone number or an email address, which we will provide an email address. If you choose to use your phone number, it will send you a text message and ask you to verify that. This is just so that they can prove that somebody's not creating a ton of Instagram accounts to spam people. We're going to call this Genius Lounge Demo. All right, and at this point, Instagram is going to assign us a username, and mine is in.fo8023. Super unique, but also kind of boring. So you have the option to go ahead and accept this username, or if you've got a social media handle that you prefer to use, you can go ahead and do that as well. So I'm going to go ahead and change my username. And I'm going to change my username to Genius Lounge Demo. And you'll see a little green check mark appears and that username is available. So I'm going to tap Next. And it's going to prompt me to connect to Facebook because I didn't sign up with a Facebook account. And it wants me to connect so that it can help me find friends. I'm going to go ahead and skip that for now. We're going to cover that in a later lesson. It also is going to want to search your contacts. This will upload your contacts to the Instagram servers. It will allow you to help connect with your friends because it knows if they've signed up with an email address or with their phone number as well. Once again, we're going to cover this in a little bit later lesson, so I'm going to go ahead and tell it to skip right now. And it wants me to add a profile photo. So I'm going to go ahead and take a lovely photo for you. And to be able to do that, Instagram is requesting access to the camera. You'll probably want to go ahead and do this because Instagram will need to be able to use the camera if you ever want to take a photo directly with Instagram. It's also asking for access to the microphone in case I want to record a video. So I'm going to go ahead and tell it okay. I'm going to smile. And there's my profile photo right there. It's also asking for permission to my photos so that it can pull up previous photos that maybe I didn't take in the Instagram app but I'd like to post, and also so that it can save photos and videos into my camera roll for later viewing. Here's my profile photo. Would I also like to share this as a post? I'm going to tell it no, and I'm going to tell it next. It says we'll save your login info for you. You won't need to enter it when you log in on this device again. Highly recommended. You don't want to have to log in every single time you open Instagram. Now, I believe this is the fourth time it's asked us. It wants us to connect with friends. At this point, we're still going to skip this, and I'm going to tell it done. It also wants to give us notifications. So if somebody comments or likes your photos, if you've posted something, it wants to be able to notify you of that. And so I'm going to go ahead and tell it okay to notifications. You can always adjust these at a later time. And it says find people to follow. It wants access to my contacts. Once again, it's trying to get me to follow people. I'm going to tell it cancel. Well, congratulations, you now have an Instagram account. So now that you've got an Instagram account, you can follow your friends and family. You can also post pictures. Go ahead, take a picture of your lunch, post it to Instagram. Everybody else does. And of course, if you like this video, we would love it if you would like, subscribe, and share this with your friends and family. I'm Matt Troutman. Thanks so much. We'll see you around the Genius Lounge.